Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app's architecture, because a 32-bit versus 64-bit mismatch causes 0xc00007b. Next, run the program as administrator to rule out permission issues. Then reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables for both x86 and x64, because missing or corrupt runtimes are the usual culprit. Once done, update DirectX and the NET runtime and install the latest GPU drivers. These components often contain system DLLs. Now you locate corrupted or incompatible DLLs. Use Dependency Walker or an equivalent tool to see which DLLs fail to load. This tells you whether the issue is a wrong bitness or a damaged file. Replace suspect DLLs by reinstalling their source package or copying them from a healthy machine with the same OS version, never from random internet sites. After replacing files, run sfc/scano and dism to repair the system image, because they verify and restore Windows-protected files automatically. Finish by fully uninstalling the app, cleaning temp folders and registry leftovers, then reinstalling the correct x86 or x64 installer so files match system architecture. Test the app in a new Windows user account or safe mode to determine if user profile settings or startup services interfere. If the error persists, capture the exact message and time and check Event Viewer for faulting module names. That detail lets you target the remaining faulty DLL or driver. One key troubleshooting tip is to always compare module bitness before replacing files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.